So now it's recording?
Yep, yeah, hi.
Alright, give me 1 second. Alright, so I'm testing out a GoPro right now. It's the Hero 2. Hey, wave. Alright, take the camera and turn it. You have to grab like that. There you go. Alright, stop, hold on. I can't see. Wave again, wave. Yeah, we're good. Alright, cool. So this is me on a GoPro. I've never used it. I might buy one. Anyway, this is Brandon.
Oh, hi.
Hey. Base. So go ahead and tell us about yourself, buddy.
Well, my name's Brandon. Yeah, you already know that. I mean, you should already know that. You already said that once, didn't you?
I think we've stated that your name was actually Chavot.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, Chavot. Got it.
Chavot Brandon, right?
Chavot Brandon. M.
M.
Yep. Mr. Got it. Mr. I'm married.
The missus will be around soon.
Hey, she'll be here tomorrow, actually.
Maybe.
Tomorrow is our 1-year anniversary. We've been married 1 year.
Shameless shout out.
Anyway.
What would you call it? Hip-hop? Classical hip-hop? Is this Tupac?
The genre would be dubstep. Yeah. I YouTube. I have my own channel.
He's lying.
It's okay.
He actually has a video of him skydiving, and you can see me in it right before he falls out of the plane.
It's pretty badass.
Yeah.
He was there. I saw him.
Okay, so funny story. So when we went in 2011, and he was ahead of me.
Yep.
And so Chavot, you do a tandem jump.
Yeah.
And so he's, got a guy on his back. They're like, do their thing, and you can see me in the video if you guys watch his channel.
Yeah, he's there.
I'll put a link in the description.
Sweet.
I've never done that before. All right.
Now you can.
Oh, I know what I'll do. He knows.
I don't really know, but okay.
And we're back. So I'd never been skydiving. He'd never been skydiving. I was pretty nervous going up because one, like you can feel like the lack of oxygen, and two, you look out the window and you're like, oh crap. And kind of hang out. First, you see the camera guy go on the side of the plane.
Literally the side of the plane.
Yeah, because he hangs on the side and jumps when you guys jump. So Chavot's at the end, and then the guy's like on his back, and it's like 1, 2, 3, go. So I watch him jump, but because the plane's moving, it looked like he got sucked out and he was just gone. I watched him fall.
I got sucked out.
Sucked right out of the plane, and at that point I was like, oh man. You ready?
Yeah, I've been.
Got that from a buddy. He's gonna eat it. It's gonna be delicious.
I've seen blue ones.
Yeah, blue ones are all over Hawaii.
Get out of my way.
The first time I saw a blue stop sign, I was like,
It's blue. What do I do?
And you know what else I like about this place? Is like after I eat it, I don't feel like gross.
Yeah, it's not greasy. The burger is not greasy.
Yeah, at all, really.
No,
it's a good point. There's this place back home that me and my brother like to eat at called Texas Star Grill. But it's not Texas, it's TEX '. Like Tex, his name's Tex. And
Tex.
Yeah, it's kind of a play on words.
Tex Star.
No, it's because it has the S, so it's Texas.
Texas. Oh, I get it.
I get it.
Play on words.
Yeah, so Texas Star Grill, and the way they do it is you'll be like, I want the #1, add bacon, right? So they throw the patty on there and it's like, just fire. And they do the same thing here. Like, you know that swing door?
Mm-hmm, yeah.
You'll be sitting there waiting and you'll just see fire. You're like, is everyone okay out there? We should do Cribs, Chavot.
We can totally do it if you want.
What's wrong with radio?
Everything.
The essence of wildflower.
What? What'd you say?
Nothing.
You sure?
There's a video that I watched called Hipster Thanksgiving, and she's like, what is that? And he's like, yeah, this, that, and the other, and he's like, and then a hint of wildflower. And she's like, oh, well, how did you add it? And he was like, essence of wildflower. He just set it on to the food. And so the other people, they're like, oh, okay. So this guy and girl are across the table, and the girl's like, essence of wildflower. And the guy's like, essence of wildflower. And they're like, well, I hope you like wildflower, because you put way too much on there.
Sorry.
I thought it was hilarious. I watched it like over and over.
That really is funny. I'm not gonna lie.
It's by the Harvard sailing team.
Hey,
Why
did
not?
you shoot expert?
Yes.
Did you?
Yeah.
Shoot, dude.
I didn't miss anything.
Cool, man.
Oh my god, it's Tara!
That's how I'm gonna meet my wife. She's gonna be sitting in a car. I'm gonna pull up, and she's gonna be like, I'm gonna be like, she can't dance either. Woo! You guys could not dance together, or try to dance together.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any feedback or any suggestions for things that I could try or do, that would be awesome. All right, later.